My name's Chris. I own a very small specialist ice cream company called Lakenham Creamery, and we make some of the best ice cream in the world, really. I mean, we supplied Harrods for 25 years with all their ice cream and things like that, and won 40 Great Taste Gold Awards, so other people think it's good as well as me. Well, I first got into bikes at the age of 14 through my aunt, who was living in France, and when I got over there at 14 you could ride mopeds, and that's how it all started, really. Well, the clincher was one of the older brothers, Francois, had what was a BMW R69S. One evening he gave me a lift through the foothills of the Alps to Annecy, and the cylinder heads were skimming just on the top of the tarmac, and I thought this was magic, absolutely magic, and that was it really. I bought my first Harley in 1989. It was the original Fatboy, and I've had that bike for 32 years now. It's currently living in the Harley-Davidson Newmarket showroom. It did go up for sale because I've gone a bit bonkers recently and invested in a lot of new bikes. I'd looked after it, kept it original for 32 years. Perhaps it's time to move on and hopefully find a nice home for it with someone who's going to look after it. I've got a 1971 350 Ducati, which I bought for £100, which is a total project bike. I've got an MV Augusta Brutale. Then I've got a couple of Triumphs, a Street Scrambler, and a Bud Ekin Special, which I bought second hand. I've got a original Yamaha MT-09, the first model. I've got a Motor Guzzi V7, the new one with the 853cc engine. That's a lot, let's put it that way. A lot more than my wife thinks I need, but I think that's always the case, isn't it? Shortly after I've had my first introduction at 14 to motorcycles, I went for a holiday in Canada, and I came across a magazine called Chopper, and it was full of these amazing Harleys that had all been lovingly made and modified and what have you. And I've always liked the style of Harley-Davidson. They're very special bikes. Quality's superb. They do exactly what it says on the tin, and they look amazing. And 99% of people out there know what Harley-Davidson is. People recognise Harley straight away.